Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I've just thought of coming up with a session which will be very helpful for you. I'm going to talk about how you can speak on any given topic, how you can start, what things you can include, how you can construct new sentences, and what you can speak about it. So basically, I'm going to tell you how you're going to talk about on any given topic, right? I'm going to give you the format as well, like how to start with, how to build up, and how to come up with the whole speech. Okay, so the rules first. I'm going to talk about a particular topic. I'm going to take up a very simple topic, which is I'm going to describe my daily routine, or which I'll help you to describe your daily routine, how you can start with, what all vocabulary you can use, what all sentences you can frame, how you can start off, right? How you can divide the topic, what all you can include in this topic, and how you can talk about it in a structured and in the best way possible. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Here what I do is I simplify everything for you guys. I try to make things very simpler so that you can construct new sentences, you get idea about vocabulary, you get idea about pronunciation, you get idea about how to talk about the topic and lots more. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press that notification icon. My videos are free of cost, guys, and I really want to help you in your fluency and confidence in speaking English. That is my motto here. So let's get started. Today we are going to talk about daily routines. So how we can start, what we can include, what all vocabularies can be used, what are the words which is used to describe this. Okay, so I'm going to include everything here. So to start with, what we are going to do is we are going to divide this topic into three parts. The first I'm going to talk about is the morning routine. Then I'm going to talk about afternoon routine, and then I'm going to talk about the evening routine. Okay, now what this will do is it will help you to organize your speech. Okay, so it will not be like randomly you're speaking about anything. Like in the morning, I woke up in the morning, afternoon I had lunch, and then at 10 o'clock I came to office, and then in evening by 7 o'clock I went home and I slept. So it should not be haphazard. It should be in a systematic way. So that is why I've divided the topic into three portions, like morning, afternoon and evening, so that it's easier for you to collect all the information in these slots. Okay, coming to the first part, which is the morning routine. How we can talk about this morning routine. The first thing what we can do is we can construct sentences with I plus action. Okay, so this is the basic format of sentence construction for our morning routine. I plus action, what you are doing. I'll simplify this for you. I'll give you an example, like what we do in the morning. So I wake up in the morning, or I woke up, or I woke up at 7 o'clock. Okay, so I wake up, woke up. I plus action. The action is waking up. You are waking up in the morning. So you woke up or you wake up. You can use either of this. So this is one sentence you can make. I woke up, or I wake up at 7 in the morning every day. Okay, so this is the first sentence. Second thing what you do is I switch off my alarm. Okay, I plus action, what you did, you switched off your alarm clock. So I switched off my alarm. This is the second action you did. Coming to the third action, what you did was I went to the washroom, or I went to brush my teeth, or I brush my teeth, or I went to brush my teeth. I took shower. So I'm just adding I with an action what you are doing. Okay, I took shower, or I went for shower. The next action is I made breakfast, or I make breakfast, or I will make breakfast. Whatever. So you are making breakfast. Okay, then you are eating breakfast, having your breakfast. I had my breakfast. I will have my breakfast. Then I will get ready, or I get ready for office at 10 o'clock. Okay, so you get ready and then you go to office. I go to office by 10:30, or I go to office by 10. So I go to office by 10 o'clock or 10:30. So this is how you can describe your actions just by by using simple sentences with the formation I plus action. You have to just add I plus whatever action you're doing. You have to club these two and you will be able to make sentences. I'll repeat the whole process again, which it will be easier for you to understand. I woke up by 7 o'clock. I switched off my alarm. I brushed my teeth. I took shower. I prepared my breakfast. I ate my breakfast. I got ready. I went to office. This is the simplest form in which you can make sentences about your daily routine or about your morning routine. Okay, in the same way, I'll talk about afternoon and evening, and then I'll tell you how you can add up or build up on these statements. Okay, so coming to the afternoon routine, you can say again I plus action. Okay, so in the afternoon, I attended a couple of meetings, or in the afternoon, I attended some meetings, which is simpler. Okay, so I attended some meetings in the afternoon. After that, I went for lunch. Then I started working on my assigned tasks, or after that, I started working on my task which was assigned to me, or after that, I started working on my task. Okay, so this is very simple, guys. So you just have to I plus your action, what you're doing. You're working on your task, you're working on your assigned tasks. So I started working on my assigned task. I had lunch. I attended meetings. I spoke to my colleagues, or I had a discussion with my colleagues. I had a discussion with my manager. So you can include all these things. Whatever action you're doing, you just need to speak about I plus your action, what you're doing. Okay, you have to combine these two. You can make simple sentences, whatever you wish to. Okay, so this is very easy, guys. Start making sentences like this and start describing your daily routine in this way. Coming to the evening part. In the evening, we have tea break or snack break. Okay, or I took a snack break or a tea break in the evening, or at 4 o'clock we had a snack break or a tea break. I went to have tea. I went to have snacks with my friends or colleagues, whatever you want to include there. I went to have a cup of coffee. I went to have a cup of tea. I went to have some snacks. So you can talk about this. Then what you did, I completed rest of my task. Whatever task was left, I completed that. So I completed the rest of my task which was assigned to me, or I completed all my task. You can end that. You can say that also. I left office by 7 p.m. or I usually leave office by 7 p.m. or I leave office by 7 p.m. After reaching home, I prepared dinner, right? Or I reached home by 7:30, 8 o'clock if you want to mention that. I reached home by 8 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I prepared dinner for my family, or I prepared dinner for myself. Later on, I had dinner and I chatted with my family members, or I spoke to my family members on the dinner table. So whatever you want to include, I had dinner with my family members. I spoke to them over dinner. We had a discussion during the dinner. At the dinner table, we had a discussion on different topics. Okay, so whatever you wish to, you can just include anything, whatever action you're doing. Like if you're having a discussion, you're talking on any topic, or you're describing your day with your family members, you're discussing, having that discussion. So you can just add what you are doing. I had a discussion about my day with my family members, or after dinner, I played with my kids. So you can just describe your action. It's very simple, guys. It's very easy these sentences are very easy to make and describe. I am trying to put an effort to make life easier for you. It cannot be more easier than this. You can just remember this framework, I plus action. I'm not talking about verbs. I'm not talking about adding adjectives and adverbs. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm just talking about I plus action, what you are doing. You have to just club that. And you see how easier it is for you to speak about it. Now, how you can add things on. Okay, for example, if I take a morning routine and if I speak about I woke up at 7 o'clock, next sentence you can add is I immediately switched off my alarm. Okay, so you can add things around there. Immediately switched off my alarm. You can continue the sentence with then I brushed my teeth and took shower. You can club these two. Then I went to brush my teeth and took shower. After taking shower, I went to cook my breakfast or I went to make breakfast. Okay, so you're describing it in detail. You're adding what you went to do this, you went to do that, or you're adding then, now, later, before. So those things you're adding. So you have to add those words to continue the sentences. Okay, so this is how you can add up. You can add things, you can add conjunctions, you can add adjectives, you can add adverbs. Okay, you can add nouns and pronouns also. Now guys, for this I want you to brush up your parts of speech. If you brush up your parts of speech, you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. You can add prepositions also. So those things you can add to make your sentence better. Okay, but to start with, I plus action thing, you can just start doing that. And then how you can build, I'm going to tell you later in my videos as well. So this was a simple video I wanted to make for you to start off with. So that is why I'm not including a lot of things here. I'm just asking you to build it up with one or two more sentences, or just club two sentences together, or add one or more lines there. Okay, like I woke up at 7 o'clock. I immediately switched off my alarm. Immediately means you do it, right? So you can add immediately. That is the word which you need to think about. So I immediately switched off my alarm. Then I went to brush my teeth and take shower. After taking shower, I went to prepare my breakfast, or went to make my breakfast, or went to make breakfast for myself. I ate my breakfast and I got ready to go to office. That's it. Okay. So this is how you have to structure it later on. Once you are comfortable speaking with I plus action, then you have to start structuring your sentences in this way by adding adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions to it. Okay, so it's very simple. It's not difficult. I'm going to help you out with this at every stage. So this was the first stage which I spoke about. I'll take another topic in my next video to talk about how you can add more sentences and other forms of sentences also. So guys, I'm sure this session was very simple and easy to understand. What I want you to do is you come up with your daily routine, speak about it, switch on your video camera, speak about it with I plus action form. And once you're comfortable doing that, try to structure the sentences in a better way. See how well you do it. Take some idea from YouTube or any other videos which you watch. You can take some ideas, club it together, and then start speaking on it. Okay, it is really going to help you. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.